Hi, and welcome to the Books channel. Before we dive in, let me ask you, have you ever picked up your phone for a quick text, but somehow ended up doom scrolling for hours? Or maybe you've noticed it's just harder to finish a book, even a short article? If that happens, you're likely experiencing what people call brain rot. Today, we'll talk about how to reclaim your focus and unrot your brain with 3 simple habits. The first step is carving out a distraction-free zone. This is exactly why we designed BOOX ePaper devices. They offer the convenience of digital power without the constant glare and on-screen clutter that hijacks your brain. You can use the Palm 2 Pro as your second device to reduce smartphone reliance. Try replacing mindless scrolling with language learning apps or podcasts that build your focus rather than drain it. The ePaper screen is inherently distraction-free by design. You can also enable Do Not Disturb and mute notifications while using your BOOX devices. It's a simple but effective way to block the constant pings and pop-ups that usually break your flow state. Next, build a healthy content diet. You can be mindful of what you consume by replacing short clips with long-form content. Download any ebooks or read from your preferred reading apps. With a close-to-paper feel, you can enjoy your content without glare under the sunlight. And you can customize your fonts and layout while reading. They act like weightlifting for your brain, helping you rebuild your capacity for deep thinking. To truly digest reads, use the stylus to annotate key insights or wrap up with a book review in the Notes app. Moving from a passive consumer to an active thinker helps you stay sharp. Finally, you can start a mindful morning by swapping your phone without tempting algorithm-fed apps. Try incorporating 30 minutes of exercise, like jogging, yoga, or even a quick HIIT session to boost mental clarity. With 5G connectivity and a GPS, you can use fitness apps to track your routes or update your workout log on Palm 2 Pro. As the day moves forward, be more intentional with fragmented time during your commute or lunch break. Instead of filling these gaps with mindless scrolling, use them for a reset. Jotting down your quick thoughts on the Palm 2 Pro or reading through a curated newsletter helps you reduce mental clutter. At the end of the day, ditch your smartphone for at least 1 hour before bedtime. You can follow a guided meditation or simply listening to music would help. These practices of staying present signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. You don't have to quit technology to stop brain rot. It's about choosing tools and habits that respect your time and focus. By making these small shifts, you can move away from heavy content consumption and back toward a more intentional life. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.